Alright, ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'll be teaching you how you can, the second strategy I told you about. I want to teach on how you can be profitable in the P2P space presently, even if you have not too big a capital, right? So in the last video I mentioned the new things that happen. I said I will make 3 videos. I made a video the other time. This is the second video, and after now I'll still make another video to buttress more on the P2P space. Now, this strategy is very simple, and I want you to come along with me. Meanwhile, if you have not watched any of our previous video, it might be hard for you to comprehend, right? It might be hard for you to comprehend. So now, what you need to do in this video is set an ad. You know where to set an ad now. So that's what I'm saying. I don't want to make this video very long. If you have not watched our previous video, please go back and watch, and then continue this video. Set an ad, right, for 50k. Remember, it said when you are setting an ad, it will appear here, right? It will appear here. So let's say you are not a verified merchant. You're not a verified merchant. For 50k, you want to accumulate 50k in a total of 500. So what we are going to do is, remember, when we are setting an ad, this will be our point, right, where we are going to be getting the details from. Let me make sure. Okay, all right. So let's say I don't want to go through that stress of setting ad and all. 500,000. Okay, so I want it to be 500,000 exactly. Okay, by fiat. Okay, 500,000. All right. All right. So 500,000 will give us 482.07. Let's note that 482.07. After you have bought, you set an ad to buy here. Do you understand? I hope this is not confusing. If this is your first time of seeing a video from Crypto Mall, it might be confusing. So you need to go and check our previous video, and also click and subscribe to the channel. Click the subscribe button and like button, and also comment, so that it can help the algorithm favor us. So now all you need to do is come back to this spot or futures, and then transfer from your funding to your spot wallet, right? After you have bought $500 worth of USDT, which is 482.27, right? Transfer from your funding to your spot wallet. Once you are done with that, come to your spot, and then you search for USDT NGN. USDT NGN. USDT NGN. Here we are, right? Once you are done searching for USDT NGN, what you want to do is sell. You want to sell the USDT you just bought. So I'm going to make a market limit, right? 480. You're going to sell it to naira 480.07, right? Do you get it? Now, once you are selling to 480.27, we are now in loss of like say 522 naira or so, right? 522 naira or so. So we are going to copy this one now. We are going to cut it. Meanwhile, once you sell here, you transfer the naira to P2P again. But this time it will be transfer from spot, from spot to funding, and this will be what's it called, NGN, right? So that's what you do. Then you come to this funding, you go to P2P, right? And then you change this to NGN. Yeah, change this to NGN. Now you are going to set an ad to sell. And you remember I told you, when you are setting an ad to sell, you appear in the buy side for the customer, right? And so that's why we are going to be clicking this place to patronize here. So we'll click buy, and then we paste. Right now, see what we are having now. 494,542, right? 494,542. Okay, let me use my calculator now. 499,488. 499,488 minus 494,542. Right? So this is what we have. We have 4946 profit. Now I must remind you that when you are setting ad, when you are setting ad, you'll be charged 0.2% for if you are verified, if you are not verified. So we are going to make it 0.2%, 0.2 multiplied by 500 equals to divided by 100. That is 1,000 naira. So the charges will be 1,000 naira minus 4926, right? What did we calculate the other time? I think 4926. So you are making a profit of 3926 instantly from your 500,000 naira. I know you think this is small, but if you trade the regular P2P, you will know that this is big for one round. And in a day you can finish up to like 10 rounds. Say you do this with like 10 rounds, right? You do this for 10 rounds, and maybe you are not going to, this is not how much you'll be getting every time. Sometimes it will be higher, sometimes it will be lower, it will be fluctuating, right? And sometimes if you are even not setting ad, if you are just selling to people here and just buying from people here, it might be you might not be charged, but it might be higher. Do you understand? It might be higher. So this is the technique I want to teach you here in this video. Make sure you click the subscribe button, like this video, and then comment your questions so that I can